On December 7, 1988, in the foothills of the Qinghai Tibet Plateau, a new day began. On this day, a boy named Danzing Gyatso was born into a world of simplicity and pastoral charm. Danzing Gyatso sits, absorbed in his lessons. Each word from the teacher sparks new understanding. Family obligations call him away, ending his school days. High on the Qinghai Tibet Plateau, young Danzing Gyatso, merely 8, embraces the shepherd's role. With attentiveness he guides the cattle and sheep to pasture. Amidst vastness, Danzing Gyatso mingles with nature's elements. The winds impart secrets and the rolling hills serve as his audience. The land's grandeur becomes Danzing's educational realm. Life's lessons are whispered by the natural world. Danzing Gyatso stands watchfully amidst the rolling grasslands. He deciphers subtle noises like a naturalist interpreting whispers of the wild. On his 11th year, Danzing Gyatso's visage is sculpted with firm resolve. He strides from the familiar into the unknown, drawn by a quest for the vast world's wisdom and the monastery's promise of spiritual freedom. The monastery stands silent, a sanctuary for study and reflection. Danzing Gyatso, lost in thought, recites the lines of wisdom. His voice, soft yet firm, echoes the profound scriptures. At 16, Danzing Gyatso embodies serenity. His journey in the monastery has led him to spiritual milestones unlike any other. He is anchored in peace, cradling scrolls that are no longer mere text but a part of his very essence, marking his freedom. With a determined stride, Danzing Gyatso leaves the expanse of the Qinghai Tibet Plateau. Stepping into the shadowed halls of Labrang Monastery, he's enveloped by the silent study of monks. After years of diligent studies, Danzing Gyatso sets out on a pivotal journey. His heart set on deepening spiritual understanding, he bears the fatigue of travel resiliently. On arrival in India, Danzing Gyatso approaches Guru Lama, a respectful air enveloping their meeting. Scene 1 opens with young Danzing Gyatso immersed in his studies. The second scene shows him in serene meditation surrounded by nature's tranquility. In our final scene, an older Danzing Gyatso shares his enlightenment with eager novices. The warm glow of sunrise spills over rugged peaks. Danzing Gyatso's visage beams with wisdom. His serene smile signifies his dream's fruition.